Today I will be unboxing the Nike Air Force One Shadow women's in the color black, white, spiral sage. I got them in a 9.5 and I ordered them from Lady Foot Locker. I love Air Forces. I just got into them. Like, I've always known what they were, but I didn't get into them until I found out that I loved platform shoes and shoes that make me taller. I have some on right now. These are the only pair I have. They're so dirty. I've had them for 2 years. I got them for Christmas for my sister because I told her just give me some platform shoes, and she got me those, and I was like, yes. Now I see why all the white girls wear these shoes. They're very comfortable. These didn't take long to come. I think I ordered them Monday. And it just says, thank you for your purchase. We're so happy you found something you love. Yeah, you're so important to us. Thanks for being our customer. Yeah. Now let's get into these shoes. Yeah, you see it. You see it. These are Fuego. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be fresh to death. Let's keep going. What really stood out to me with these shoes is the yellow laces, but I didn't even know that they had like this whatever this thing is called. It's like the little seatbelt that kids have in the car. Look at this. These are fire. Fuego. Like I said, I really like the yellow laces, but I did not know they even had this little buckle. These are these are fire. They were $125, but with shipping and tax and stuff, it was like $133. I'm scared to put these on. I've had issues ordering from Nike.com. They would send me shoes that were returned and I didn't like that. So these shoes are brand new. They smell like factory. So I only buy from Lady Foot Locker now when I'm buying stuff from Nike.